Hi guys and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. We're back here once again with a brand new video, and today we're gonna go ahead and talk about which are the top 5 best drones of 2023. It's the holidays are already here, and you probably one of many of you guys out there want to go ahead and pick up a drone for yourself. So today I'm gonna go ahead and try and help you with your decision. Hopefully I'm able to do a little bit of help with you, because today I will be telling you which are the top 5 best drones of 2023. So without losing any more time, let's go ahead and kick things off with the spot on number 5, and that has to be given to the DJI Air 2S. Now this is a drone that has been in the market for quite a while now, almost 2 years, so it's a bit of an old drone, but the reason I decided to go ahead and include this on number 5 is because what you get in return for what you pay. For $850 for the basic combo, you're getting a phenomenal drone. You're getting a 1-inch sensor, you're getting 10-bit color, you're getting 4K 60. This drone is packed with some insane features. Active track, I mean, this drone has pretty much all, for the exception of course, adjustable aperture, but you get OcuSync 3. I mean, this drone is really good. Now the reason I decided to go ahead and put it on number 5 is because of its age. It's almost 2 years old, and most likely DJI will be replacing it next year with the DJI Air 3. So if you're a person that really doesn't care about having the latest and greatest drone and getting just the best bang for your buck, this might probably just be it. Something that I do want to note is that this drone is not under 249 grams. So that's something to keep into consideration, particularly if you live in the US and some countries over in Europe. Now, that's the number 5. And I just want to note that I will make sure to go ahead and leave a link down below. DJI currently has their holiday sale, so they have a couple of good discounts going on. So if you're gonna go ahead and check it out for yourself, I will make sure to leave the link down in the description section down below. But let's go ahead and keep on moving on and talk about the drone that is going to be on number 4, and that is the Autel Evo Nano Plus. Guys, this drone is a really good drone. It's been in the market for quite a while now, a little bit over 9-10 months now, but it's a really good drone. It's been doing a really good job, and once again, the reason I decided to include this drone is because of what you pay, and what you get for this drone is just amazing. Currently, Autel has their holiday sale going on as well. They have a 35% discount on their Autel Evo Nano Plus, so that's something definitely to keep an eye on, particularly if you're gonna go ahead and get it this holiday sale, because this will be ending on December the 23rd on the Autel website. Now Amazon also has this on sale, so if you're looking for an entry-level drone and you really don't want to break the bank, this might be a great option to consider. I mean, this is a really good, complete, overall great drone. Now, in spot number 3, I had to give it to the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Simply, once again, because of everything this drone has to offer, and also because it is a really brand new recent drone. This was just introduced about a month ago. Now do remember and keep in mind that this drone is pretty much utilizing the exact same technology as the DJI Mavic 3, which was launched a year and a half ago. But I mean, this drone is pretty much the best of the best. Once again, you're paying around $1,700 for this drone, but you're getting a micro four thirds sensor, you're getting OcuSync 3. I mean, the flight time is just amazing with this drone. Now, I do want to note that this is a heavy drone. It's not a small drone like the Air 2S or the Mini 3, the Mini 3 Pro. No, it is a quite heavy drone, but if you truly want to have the best, let's say you have an Air 2S or maybe an Air 2 or a Mini 3, you want to go ahead and upgrade, but you don't want to go ahead and break the bank like you would with a Mavic 3 or Mavic 3 Cine, the Mavic 3 Classic is your best bet and your best option right now. And it's probably going to be a very respectable drone for the years to come. It was just launched. It will be very relevant in the next few years. So that's why I decided to place this drone in number 3. Now, in the top 2, we have the DJI Mini 3. This drone was just released again by DJI a few weeks ago. This is basically a a step down version of the Mini 3 Pro. It's a very good drone. We do not have OcuSync 3. We don't have active track. We don't have the availability to do a lot of work, particularly post editing with the video as we would with the Mini 3 Pro. That's something to keep in mind. Pictures are identical with the Mini 3 Pro and the Mini 3, but that's something to keep in mind. But aside from that, this drone is really good, very complete. And the reason I decided to keep it number 2 was because of the price that we get. It's a very affordable drone. Once again, if you're just trying to get into this hobby, I think this might be a really good option. The only bad thing is that you don't get obstacle avoidance sensors, and I know that for beginners, this you just get that confidence level. It helps you go ahead and fly out with more security. So that's the only negative thing about this drone. But overall, this is a great drone. Was just launched, so it will be once again quite relevant for the next few years, I would say. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the drone that decided to take it all this year in 2023. The best drone, in my opinion, for this year, 2023, has to be the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Now, the reason I decided to include this drone is because it is a very complete drone and you simply cannot ask for anything more than that. At a starting price of $769, you're getting OcuSync 3, you're getting a 1/1.3 inch sensor, which is a really good size sensor for the size of the drone. The drone is under 249 grams. You're getting obstacle avoidance, you're getting active track, you're getting a lot of possibilities on post editing, particularly with video with this drone. So I had to give it the first place to the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Let me know in the comment section down below, guys, if you agree with me, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them down in the comment section down below. But that is going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion signing out.